In today's video, we're going to answer the question, what to do if you inhale welding fumes. I'm going to put a link in the description to a blog post that answers this question as well if you want more information. Some of the immediate effects you can feel after breathing welding fume are going to be eye, nose, and throat irritation, dizziness or nausea, as well as breathing difficulties. And if you do, there are 3 things you must do right away. The first one is to leave the area where the welding fume is. The second one is to make sure to get some fresh air and hydrate a lot to evacuate all those toxic substances that you've inhaled. And finally, if the symptoms worsen, persist, or reappear, you're going to want to seek medical attention as soon as you can. I also want to talk about metal fume fever. You're going to feel flu-like symptoms 4 to 10 hours after welding, and generally they disappear by themselves 12 to 48 hours after that. Ideally, you don't want to go back into an environment with welding fumes until they are completely gone. But the real danger with welding fume, as you know, are long-term effects. I'm talking about cancer. I'm talking about manganese, which is a Parkinson-like disease. I'm talking about issues with your lungs, your kidneys, your nervous system. And that's why you want to make sure you have a good strategy to control and manage those welding fumes. And if you want to learn more, I have a free webinar that I give every week. I'm going to put the link in the description if you're interested. I hope to see you there, and have a great day.